Hello and welcome to Study with Sudhir. The CBSE had announced a schedule from the 22nd of September to conduct its compartment examinations for both Class 10 and Class 12 students who may have failed in one or more subjects. Now, the ICSE Council has decided to do the same. It has put out a notice on its website asking students who have secured a compartment to register themselves with their respective school on or before the 22nd of September. Now, if you go back to June 2020, when this case was being heard in the Supreme Court, the ICSE Council had then said that it will allow students who are not happy with their marks secured as a result of a complicated averaging formula to take an improvement examination. This would be applicable, however, only to subjects whose papers were not conducted. For instance, in the case of ICSE Class 10, subjects like biology, geography, Hindi, the Group 3 elective subjects, etc. Now, interested students have now been asked to register themselves for these improvement examinations as well with the head of their school, and the last date for this as well is 22nd of September. Now, a few important points that the students will have to bear in mind. It seems like the ICSE Council is looking to perhaps conduct this compartment and improvement examinations sometime early October. Once it receives the total number of students who want to take these examinations, especially the improvement, of course the compartment list would be with them already, it will then release the timetable. Point number 2, unlike the opposition to entrance examinations like the JEE and NEET, there isn't likely to be any opposition to the conduct of these examinations because the improvement examination in particular is largely the choice of the student, right? The council is not insisting that any student actually take the improvement examination. Now, as was announced earlier, students will need to remember that the marks obtained in the improvement examination will be deemed to be their final marks, not the marks obtained earlier, irrespective of whether the new marks are less or more than their score in the month of July 2020. Now, the crucial decision, and this is something students and parents will need to listen to this carefully: should I opt to take an improvement examination or not? Now, quite a bit of time has obviously passed since the students actually touched their class 10 books. And to go back to revising the chapters of biology or geography or whatever subject they choose to give the exam for will be largely resisted by the mind, right? So first discuss it with your parents and then decide whether you want to take this examination sometime in the month of October. Do not take an emotional decision. The decision should be based on how well you think you are prepared for this improvement examination. Now, this decision is important and I'll tell you exactly why. Because students who are now in class 11 in particular have not written an examination for 2 hours wearing a mask under the new COVID-19 protocol and standard operating procedures. That's all very important. So you will need to be prepared for the new normal. This wasn't the case in the month of February, March when you actually took these examinations, the board examinations. 2, you will also need to take a call on whether you really want to undertake the risk of venturing out in COVID times and take an examination. 3, and this is important, there is no clarity about what happens if a student registers himself or herself to take this improvement examination, but on the day of the examination, he or she tests COVID positive. What happens then? Will the candidate's original marks secured in the month of July 2020 be taken into account, or will that candidate's marks now be deemed to be 0 because obviously he or she had registered for the examination but did not turn up because of health reasons? The ICSE Council will need to clarify on this point. The other factor also to consider is that this could well clash with your class 11 October term examinations, right? So be mindful of how you will actually juggle your preparation. So I do hope that this perspective helps you take an informed decision. All the best to you.